what's up guys? So, I'm with the Burns fam. Yeah!
Geng geng.
Geng geng! What's up? So, natakaroon diri sa property ni Ati Atit and Uncle Mimi Cortez. Diri sa Milagro guys. So, I'm with the Burns fam. Si Ann. Hello.
Hi.
And si Mother. Hi ma.
Mother dear.
Yeah. So this is the kitchen. I'm just so amazed with how they built this wall. Kay I was thinking nana siya hollow block sa likod and but it's pure rocks lang gid siya, guys. As what Uncle Mimi said, rocks ra gid na siya, then gibutang ag mortar, gihaguan gid na siya, and the result is very nice. Nice yung result. So I think we can also try to do this in one of our projects. Nice kayo. Kote but nice yun ang kuan. And there's also one thing kuan, iyang is a very good kanang way of hiding the I-beam, or actually this is a C-channel. So iyang gibuhat, gibutangan niya og mortar and then bato gihapon guys. There. And another thing is, I don't know if you can see it, but this maybe this side. So da siya mga extra nga mga kahoy. And same thing with the rocks. So iya gyapon gi-insert dire. And that's the result. It's so nice. Nice kaayo. And they also incorporated some woods, but to support like to support the frame. But I think this is just for aesthetic only, no? So it's not really supporting the steel frame, but it really looks nice. So the whole thing really looks so natural and nice, and you coupled it with the weather here, and you got this very nature vibe. And over there makita nimo there's this, ano to nga na to? Tab. I don't know, they call na sila tawag ana, but I forgot what they said. Let's try to turn on the lights, no, so that you can see. So as you can see, wala niya gikuha ang mga natural nga kahoy, and these trees are alive, they're not dead. So it's they just keep the it's eucalyptus and pilinat. So if we go upstairs now, let's go upstairs guys. Yep. So this is the second floor. This is the tree house, and they have another dining area here. So as you can see, ang pilinat and the trees coming out from the floor here, but this effects really looks nice, and nice kayo ang effect niya, kay natural kaayo, no, wala niya giputol ang kahoy. So normally what we do is clear the trees if you build something, but in this case you just keep it. So it's really making the tree house a tree house. This is the second floor. Hello. So this is the second floor guys. Look at that.
Vlogger.
Vlogging time. Burn house. They have a what do you call it? Mezzanine there floor.
It's bunk
Yes,
bed.
they have a what we call that. That's not a bunk bed because a bunk bed is a deck bed. But this is actually what they call it is kuan na siya kanang nakalimot ko. Attic, like attic or a mezzanine bed or room there na pwede po ang mga kids to mag-lie down. And as you can see, it's made out of glass para ang natural light will come in and it's making this room look bigger.
Guys, I love you.
So na silang Kevin there, si Straw, and then si Aya, and then si RJ, and then si Mami, and then si Kia. Let's go upstairs and see what's upstairs.
I can go upstairs.
Oy, mahulog na.
Uy, di ba maibot? Okay, di maibot. Oh, so this is what looks like upstairs. They have another balcony, a small balcony outside. That's the entrance, no? And there's also they have a lot of balconies here. There's another balcony here outside, and you can even have a table there. Nice kayo. Nice kayo, and I wanna thank Ati Atit and Uncle Mimi for letting us stay here and enjoy your very cozy, very beautiful tree house. And thank you for the accommodation, Uncle. And very inspirational kayo ang inyong treehouse, and we hope we can have also this type of what you call this place in the future if God give us the opportunity to build something like this. And I was very inspired, and you know, I've learned a lot of things here na maybe we can do in our projects. And tomorrow we can show you more campfire of this place. There's even a campfire there place, which I will show you tomorrow na. And there is Milgar.
Yeah.
And
Good
si
evening, guys.
Cedric.
Big stick.
And nakalami dayan ni guys kay siguro nasa mga 80% sa materials here are all recycled materials or gisale na siya nga materials. So as you can see, as what Uncle Mimi said, the materials here, the tiles, medyo na yung mga na yung mga garas-garas and whatnot, but they still utilize it, and it adds to the, you know, aesthetic, or it adds the texture on the tiles that are kanang you can see there. It adds to the whole mood of the place, even though it's not perfect. Like if you look at it, it's like new. It doesn't look new, but it adds to the beauty of the place, and that's what makes it special. Okay, so there's si Ann washing. For washing the to, Pops. Yeah. Okay, so see you tomorrow. What's up, guys? Let's go. But on a tub. So nice kayo.
Isa cold spray! May ay ligo.
Yeah.
How do I ligo?
If you love me, you gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. Driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of